When you sweep and mop to clean hardwood floors, you're not removing all the dirt. Cleaning hardwood floors requires deep dirt extraction, because without it, dirt, debris, and allergens settle into cracks and crevices. Sweeping and mopping are important steps to reducing the chance of debris scratching floors and picking up daily dirt brought in by foot traffic. However, a professional hardwood cleaning is key to keeping dirt out of the hard-to-reach places on your hardwood floors. At Stanley Steemer, we use our USA-manufactured hardwood floor Autoscrubber and a 4-jet Gecko to clean hardwood floors. Both machines use our patented wood floor cleaner and hot water to extract dirt, leaving your hardwood floors spotless. Our technicians have extensive training to clean hardwood floors, keeping your hardwood looking shiny, clean, and like new. Stanley Steemer is your hardwood flooring cleaner, servicing solid wood, engineered wood, laminate, LVT, and linoleum. Call 1-800-STEAMER or schedule online at stanleysteamer.com.